So in 2010, I think we runnered up in, it was a 28 10.5W class. So, I'm trying to remember what it was called. NMCA and NMRA both had that particular class. And so we started doing well. So I think we run it up in 2010, and then 2011, we won both championships.
Okay.
NMRA and NMCA. And then followed it up again in 2012, NMRA, NMCA.
Oh, wow.
So we won 4 championships in 2 years. And that's when I finally was like, okay, you know, enough's enough. I need to do something else.
Yeah.
And it's not that I didn't enjoy drag racing, but it's really taken me a while to realize that this is what I am. This is what I'm going to end up doing for the rest of my life. So all those years, it was like a part-time thing to me.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Having a shop, like I had a shop so that I could race, and I raced so that I could have a shop.
Gotcha.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's not really up until maybe 2 years ago that I'm like, okay, this is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my life.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? But anyway, so we won 2011, 2012. In 2013, we half-assed it, but 2013 is when I finally ended up getting hooked up with Murder Nova and Chief. And how that got started was they were both building turbo cars at the time.
Right.
And so I had never met them before. I really didn't know much about it. I didn't watch the TV show. I knew about the TV show, right, but I didn't. So that's kind of where it all started in 2014, 2015 is when it really started going. And so then I was just doing the show for, a couple years.